Hi, I'm Kelsey from the Ardell brand team, and today we're getting naked. If you love the multi-layered and lightweight look of our naked strip lashes, then you'll love our DIY naked extension kit. Let's strip them down. This product is great for experienced lash users and professional lash users due to its semi-permanent adhesive. The all-inclusive pack includes 56 knot-free 3D individuals in short, medium, and long. These lashes have beautiful tapered fibers and delicate multi-dimensional curl with our professional formula of the Lash Tight semi-permanent clear adhesive, a lash-free remover, and tweezers. Our naked extensions are fully customizable, apply in minutes, and last up to 2 weeks. Let me show you how to apply them. Before applying your lashes, make sure your lashes are clean and dry. Step 1, pour some of the lash adhesive into the adhesive pocket on the tray. Step 2, gently remove the individual lash from the tray using a tweezer. Step 3, dip the base of the individual lash into the Lash Tight adhesive. Step 4, place over natural lashes where desired. Be sure to adhere the lashes only to the natural hair and not the skin. If you decide to get naked using Ardell lashes, be sure to tag us in your looks.